Welcome back to Fresh Plug. I just opened up a new project and imported the footage. On the left toolbar, select the type tool. If you don't see it, press T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on the program monitor or the preview window to start typing. Type your desired text, and you'll see a text layer appear in the timeline. Open Essential Graphics, or rather, just jump straight to Effect Controls. And we are gonna select a font. We're gonna adjust the size of the text, pick your color, align it and position it. To animate the text, go to Effects Control once again. Under Position or Opacity, click the stopwatch icon to add keyframes. Move the player head forward to change the position for a smooth animation. Go to the timeline and drag the edges of the text to adjust how long it appears. Once done, you can now export your footage. Choose your preferred settings and export your video. And now that's it. You know how to add and customize text in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let me know what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.